When we bought our house in 2018, the house came with a lot of problems. And one of the problems was the old back porch. It was rotten, falling in, and just basically unrepairable. I've been putting off the project for a long time. So after I finished the chicken coop, it was time to start on the back porch. Now, the back porch was a little tricky because it had a roof that I wanted to keep. The first step was to cut out pieces of the old 1970s sunroom back porch, prop it up, and build out the framing underneath each section, which there were 3, until I had the roof stabilized. This was a little bit tricky since the front part of the sunroom was kind of cantilevered to hold up the roof in the original design. Once the framing was done, it was an easy task to put up the windows, get the siding on, and get the house wrap. I used a concrete siding, which was really difficult to cut, but looks good and will probably perform pretty well. The windows and doors went in with no problem, but the siding was a bit of a challenge. I did this over the past 6 weeks, on and off for a couple of hours each day. And here's the final results of the exterior of the new back porch. Well, now it's time to move to the inside. Time to put up the drywall and finish out the inside. I hope it doesn't take me another 6 weeks, but the way I go, you never know. Thanks for taking a look at the back porch.